Here's how it works. Honda uses dual overhead cams, and in a VTEC engine, larger cam lobes sit between the normal sized ones on the intake camshaft. Rocker arms are the middlemen between the cams and the valve. As the camshaft rotates, all the cams are bumping up the rocker arms. At low and mid-range RPM, the rockers that pair with the standard cams are the only ones actually moving the valve. The bigger cams rockers aren't connected to any valves. They're basically flapping in the wind. So as you're cruising at 25 in a school zone, the engine runs frugally, using the moderate valve timing set by standard cam. When you hit the freeway on-ramp and your right foot starts feeling heavy, you want bigger cams and more horsepower. The car's computer's been keeping tabs on everything. And when it sees the right combination of engine oil pressure, engine temperature, engine speed, and throttle position, it decides to grant your wish. VTEC is go! The ECU shoots a signal to a solenoid control valve that pushes the hydraulic pin through normal cams rockers and into the big cams rocker. This locks those previously independent rockers together, and when the big cams hit, they push all the rockers down and take over the valve control. Now, the normal cams are the do-nothing slackers, while the bigger cams start opening the intake valve sooner, opening them further, and closing them later. Suddenly, you've got more air and more power! When you let off the gas a bit and the computer decides you don't need the extra grunt anymore, the hydraulic pins retract to let the rockers uncouple, and the engine goes back to running on the small cam and just sipping fuel.